MTV, welcome to my crib. So in today's video, before we get started and I show you around our whole entire villa, I want to let you know that this trip was sponsored by this high ticket sale over here. This sale generated us a good amount of profit and has pretty much sponsored the entire trip. And so if you guys are interested in learning more about high ticket e-commerce, I have all the links down below. And with that being said, come check out the place. So over here, we have a beautiful elephant statue. It's pretty nice, great welcoming way to, begin our place. Over here on the left, this is where we have our meetings. Meetings are very important for the team, It's very important that you kind of always have the same goals and you keep everybody in check. Everyone knows what they're supposed to do. And we love having meetings over here. But I want to keep on bringing you guys around. Beautiful paintings, nice statue over here. So right now we're currently in Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka is a Buddhist country, I would say. So there's lots of Buddha statues, portraits. You're gonna see a lot of this stuff. This is the kitchen. We don't really use this right now. We haven't really been here too much. It's nothing too crazy, but that's the kitchen. Let's keep on going. So this is really where we've been chilling at a lot. This is the patio where, we enjoy a beautiful scene, beautiful green view, nice architect to really start our journey over here. This is pretty much where we've been eating and having our fine dine. As you guys can see, fruits. We've been eating some fruits. So important. We got the team, Trevor and Jackie, they're just working right now. We're always working, guys. I just want to let you guys know, even when we're enjoying our vacation, work hard, play harder. And so you guys can see the table, so many laptops. And I'll tell you guys why. We live in the digital era now. We live in the digital revolution, the digital economy, whatever you want to call it. This is known as what I like to call the digital gold rush. It's where, 200,000 people from the eastern colonies migrated to California in 1848, all transferred into the online world now. So basically what I'm trying to say is the online world is growing so fast, so incredible, and you must take advantage. And as you guys can see, the reason we're able to afford all of this stuff right now is because we invested our time, energy into the online world, into learning e-commerce. And so that's why you guys see all of this laptop, the camera gears over here. It's a little bit messy, so let's just keep on going right now. As you guys can see, this is the amazing pool. It's very clean water, blue water, not too chlorinated. You would imagine that the pool is gonna be a little bit more chlorine. I don't know if you guys know, but I used to be a swimmer. I used to be a swim team captain, MVP for Midwood High School. And so when I looked at this, I was just like, this looks great and all, but my body's probably gonna smell super chlorinated, but it's actually really fresh water. So for this spot, we actually like to do some meditation in the morning. I like to live by the 10-10-10 rule. When I wake up in the morning, I usually spend 10 minutes of my day in the sun. I spend 10 minutes, as best as I can to keep my feet grounded, to just feel the earthly spirits of this world. Get your sun intake, get your vitamins, get all of that good stuff, and so that you can proceed to 10 minutes of exercising. And again, what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that for you to experience the highest levels of life, for you to experience all the grandiose of what this life has to offer, you must focus on your health first, guys. What's the point of having all of the money? What's the point of having everything if you don't have your health in check? What's the point of even having this villa if you can't literally enjoy it because you're not healthy, you're sick? So I truly believe if you want to exceed in any realms of life, if you want to get to where you want to be, focus on your health first, guys. So this is the amazing pool over here. It's a beautiful scene. As you guys can see over here, these are very beautiful palm trees. I don't know if they're palm trees. Don't roast me if they're not. But there's coconuts on there. And so one of my friends, I'm not gonna name who, but he's very close to us, and he tried to climb the trees. And actually I might put a clip of someone from the local area of Sri Lanka climbing up these trees. You would imagine it's almost impossible to climb, but you see them, they just put their feet like this and they start climbing. You would think I can't climb, but they were just climbing boom, boom, boom. And then they go all the way up and they pick out coconuts. And the coolest thing is you could drink the coconut water, you could eat the coconut, and actually a lot of the food here in Sri Lanka is very coconut oriented. We've been having coconut rice, coconut curry, coconut chicken, and a lot of coconuts, and you would imagine why. There's just so many coconut trees, an abundance of coconut trees. Funny enough, there's a coconut right here. This is probably a broken coconut though. See, this is a little more rotten. You're not gonna eat something like this, but pretty much you pick this up. It's very heavy. I mean, it's not too heavy, you know, because I work out and stuff, but over here, what they do is they just get a knife, chop, 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 chop. They open it, they do what they have to do, then you get a little hole over here, drink it. Once you drink it, you want to cut it up again, and there's actually coconut pieces that you can eat. So it's actually very handy. So every single morning when I wake up, especially in this villa, again, I like to follow that 10-10-10 rule. I like to get my sun, I like to put my feet on the ground, I like to feel the earth, I like to feel nature. And as I'm doing that, the best part is I get to enjoy the beautiful beach over here. So we also have a nice beach. Hi. Hello, sir. Come. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Carl.
Huh?
Carl.
Carl?
Carl, yeah.
Carl?
Carl.
Lamb. Nice to meet you.
Lamb?
Yes. Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany?
And you?
New York. New York. Have you ever been to New York before?
No, I've never been there.
What brings you to Sri Lanka?
You stay?
Yes. How about you?
I'm fine.
What brings you to Sri Lanka? Why are you here?
Why I am here?
Yeah.
Oh, because I like Sri Lanka. For me, it's the best country in the world.
Why do you like Sri Lanka for you?
For me, because of the people and the nature.
Right now, I'm gonna show you guys the beautiful ocean. Water's very beautiful. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys upstairs and call it a day. Jackie, you're on vacation, bro. Like, why are you working?
Because I'm trying to get it.
What are you trying to get?
I'm trying to get this money. I'm trying to prove myself. I'm trying to show the world that I can make it. When every one of y'all said I couldn't make it, you better watch out, motherfuckers. Because I'm fucking coming for your throats.
Why are you working so hard, bro?
It's a habit, bro. It's a lifestyle. Like most people always say, oh, 9 to 5 is the easiest, or no, 9 to 5 is the most easiest thing. Like you work a 9 to 5, you fucking lazy, because us entrepreneurs, like we work 24/7, even when we're on vacation or whatever. This is a fucking lifestyle. This is something that we have to establish in ourselves. This is what we grow mindset. So this is just a constant thing we do 24/7. I can't feel at ease if we don't work.
I know, right? It's just uncomfortable to not work.
It's just like this motherfucker. He can't be at ease if he don't fucking run. Every morning he get up and run. It doesn't matter which day it is or what we do. We can go to bed at 6 a.m. He get up and still fucking runs. It's a lifestyle, my brother.
First of all, I just want to say this is a fire shirt. Where's this shirt, bro? Where's the shirt from?
From Peak Flow.
This is the Peak Flow merch. If you guys want to have some more Peak Flow merch, just hit me a DM and I'll send over to you. But yeah, guys, scan this if you guys ever want to change your life. But yo, Trev, I want to ask you, like, because we were all just working over here. Like, why are you working on vacation?
I love it. A day without work is, the work is kind of like smoking in a way.
What do you mean?
Once you get in the rhythm, you kind of have to keep it going.
So this is the upstairs. Over here we have a nice pool table, we have a nice patio where we have some general just chill, hangout meetings. And we haven't used this pool table yet, honestly. I feel like we should, but just really haven't had the time. I've been enjoying the pool and the outside more than playing some pool. But you see we have some billiards table. I'll show you guys around to one of the rooms. Maybe I'll show you to my room as well. I don't want to invade everyone else's privacy. But over here, multiple beds, nice sink over here, and show the shower. It's a little dark, so I'm trying to find you guys a better room to look at. So over here, sometimes in the morning, I like to just, when I wake up too, I like to just sit and I like to look at the view, plan, think about life, really figure out the direction of where I want to go as an individual, where I want to bring my company, where I just go into my creative mode. And I don't know if you guys know, about this concept of the flow state. The flow state is basically a state where you could say you're living in the present, or things are just working. Your body and your mind is one. And that flow state is usually obtained through either a very extreme circumstance, so maybe you might have came from like a life or death situation, or you're just really in flow. This is one more room. This is the master room. I'll show you guys. It's a little bit messy, so excuse the mess, excuse the clutter. But over here, rooms that we have. Over here we have the bathroom. So the bathroom, we have 2 sinks, toilet, shower. Really nice, to be honest. Really like it. Let's keep on going. Mirror view. I again love peace of mind. I think it's really important for you to vision, really think about where you want to go, and also take action. Life is like this, guys. I'm gonna wrap up the video, but I want to share with you guys one concept that you guys must understand. For you to obtain anything in your life, you want to imagine your ideas on your left foot, right? Imagine your ideas and all the vision that you have is your left foot. And your action, your execution is your right foot. Most people have vision and ideas, but have no execution. Others just work and work and work with no idea and vision of where they're going. For you to succeed in any realm of life, for you to be that highest version of yourself, you must have your left foot and your right foot, and you want to walk. Ideas, execution. Ideas, execution. Ideas, execution. Ideas, execution. Don't just have ideas, have vision, but don't back up your talk. You know, that's what we call a bluff. Don't just work, but get trapped into the system and never get out because you have no ideas and no vision. You can achieve anything you want in this life. Right now, I'm in Sri Lanka in an amazing villa, chilling with my boys and recording content, making money online for a living. This is a life that most people dream of, and I'm trying to share with you guys how this was all possible. And it all started from here. And if you guys have one takeaway that you can get from this, is that most people can have the idea, but again, it's the execution that really fucks people up. Even if you want a six-pack, you want a healthy body, you know you want that vision, you want that body for yourself, and you might start working hard a little bit, but you end up falling short. And the reason you fall short is because you don't have the right feedback, you don't have the right people around you to keep you accountable. And so even if you have vision and you're executing, you must be able to do it consistently for a long time. I hope this message finds you well. I hope this hopefully inspires you to elevate, to find more people around you, to bring yourself to higher levels, to achieve more, to constantly push yourself to new limits, to be the best version of yourself, because that is what we truly live for. Ladies and gentlemen, rise to your peak, flow to your rhythm. Thank you so much for your time. Hit the like button if you guys found value in today's video. Hit that subscribe button if you guys want more videos like this, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.